Hi, it's Dr. Pam Garcy. I am walking around my favorite place to do my morning walk, which is Arbor Hills. And I wanted to ask you about how you make creation easy for yourself, how you make it easy. So for me, when I make it easy, I think about what would really be easy for me to do, what would be the most obvious, low-hanging fruit kind of place to start, and I use that as my starting point sometimes. And another tip that I use to make it easy is I listen to somebody expressing their ideas and I use that as a bouncing off place. So those are a couple of things that I use to make it easy. How about you? Hi, Dr. Pam Garcy again. So how do you make creation gentle? That's an interesting question. Gentle. For me, making creation gentle means that I'm going to be gentle with myself. So I'm going to use gentle words like it's okay, and whatever is coming up for me, whatever comes out of me or through me is all good, because even if I don't like it in this moment, it could transform into something amazing, or it could be getting something out of the way so that something more amazing can emerge. But to make it gentle, I extract the evaluative process out and only play with the creative process. What about you? What do you do to make creation gentle? Hi again, Dr. Pam Garcy from Arbor Hills Nature Preserve. I am walking around here today. So how do you make creation fun? There is another question for you. So to make creation fun for me, I like to do it in a fun place. So that's why whenever I can, I try to get out here to walk, because I love this place. It's just fun to me. It's just like a place where I brought my kids to walk when they were little, and it's a place where I've explored the trails, and it just represents fun and play to me. So it's like the best energy for creation. How do you make your creative process fun? Hi again, Dr. Pam Garcy. I'm coming to you from Arbor Hills Nature Preserve again, and I hope you enjoyed my little mini-series on creativity, getting it gentle, fun, and easy. And I wanted to invite you to a retreat that I'm doing at the end of September 28th and 29th, 2019, at the Renaissance Hotel in Richardson. And it's going to be a really wonderful co-creative endeavor. If you like creativity, we are going to be helping you create the life that you want. So many parts of your life may be working perfectly, and that's great. We just want to expand upon those. And those that are not where you want them to be, that's what I'm there for, is to help you, to coach you, to give you some tips to help move you through some of your limiting beliefs. And we do that kind of work at the retreat. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can write them below and I'll be happy to answer them, okay?